Alright, this is my bike check. I've got ODI, long neck grips, S&M rotor bars, got a Sunday Freeze top load stem, S&M pitchforks, custom demolition hub laced to a Primo rim on Maxxis Holy Roller in the front and rear. Got Primo headset somewhere, premium frame. It's 21-inch top tube with a 13.75 rear end. Shadow Slimmer seat, S&M seat post clamp, fit seat post, specialized cranks, Colt PC pedals, some random bottom bracket, demolition hub in the back leads to another Primo rim with like 6 white spokes and all black. Holy roller in the back. We got 39 gearing with a KMC heavy duty chain in black, a black label 32th sprocket in the front, and that's my bike check.